Guys, this is the continuation of the previous video. Today it's like 2 days after the pumping of the water into the house. So in today's video I'm here to show you how our house looks like after we pumped in the water. Somehow the water has dried up, so I can enter into the house and I show you how the house looks like inside. So let me record the video and I show you how the house looks like after pumping the water into the house, because right now it has somehow dried up and we can enter all the rooms. Okay, let me show you guys. This is what we have. We wanted to burn these things here, but we tried and it rained, so I have to come back and burn them. Today I didn't carry the matchbox with me. If I had carried it, maybe I would have burned them, but we were trying to burn, then it rained. So this is our house. Yeah, it's a 3-bedroom house here in Uganda, in Manyangwa on Gayaza Road. Okay, let's enter and I show you how it looks like. Before I forget, guys, okay, let me first show you. This is the living room, guys. Right now I see the rooms are so big. Before we filled in the soil, I saw as if the rooms were smaller, but right now I see like the rooms are so big, guys. So this is the living room. Yeah, that's the living room. From the living room, that's the dining. Guys, when we are doing finishing, I'm thinking of creating a window here. Yeah, I think it would be nice. We shall put a window. Is it a window? There. So that we could be able to have a view, an outside view when we are seated here at the verandas. So we shall open there and create an open space there. So from the living room, that's the dining. You see, guys, the soil is drying up, and we have to fill, as in, let me say, when the builders come, we shall do some little digging and more leveling. But when we are filling in our second round of the soil, we are considering to get Maram. Yeah, because this one we just got it, let me say, for free, because we opened boundaries of the road and we got this soil. So the next time we are adding more soil, we shall buy Maram. I think Maram will do good, as in will be a good addition of this one we got. So this is the dining. Here I'm standing at the entrance of the dining. The house has 2 entrances, the entrance of the living room, then the entrance of the dining. Then here, guys, I love how big this window is, the dining window. I love the fact that it's so big, like it gives enough light to the dining and living room. Then from here, that's the kitchen. I told you guys already, when we are doing finishing, we have to make that serving window bigger than how it is. We had forgotten, as in when they were building, the contractors had forgotten the serving windows. So let me show you. You see? So from there, this one takes us to the bedroom. It's not that dry this side in the corridors, but I can manage to pass, because I'm so sure some people have been entering here. So I'm going to try and I pass where they passed. Okay, let me hope I won't fall down. It's kind of dark here. Okay, so this side takes us to the kids' bedroom. Then this side, it takes us to the master bedroom. Okay, let us first see the master bedroom. So guys, this is the master bedroom. I love how big it is. I love how big the master bedroom it is. I think even the phone is not giving justice to this room, but trust me, it's big. You see that French window? We need to put a second French window over there. I wanted to put a walk-in closet in this master bedroom, but it would have been small. According to the plan, the house has 2 French windows. One, that one, then the second one over there. But I had told the contractors or the builders to remove it. But when we are installing in the window and door frames, we have to put that second French window over there. So let me go this side. So that's the master washroom. Let me show you how big the washroom is. Okay, I'm trying to go slowly so that I don't fall down because the soil is still wet. Okay, so here, this is the master bathroom. It is also big, guys. Trust me, it's big. Okay. This is the master washroom. Okay. This is the master washroom. You see how big it is? Then from there, we go this side of the kids' bedroom. So this is the first room for the kids. Yeah, this will be my boys' bedroom. Yeah, this will be the boys' bedroom. Then from there, we go to the second bedroom. To the plan, this has to be the girls' bedroom, but we don't have girls yet. We only have boys. So we work as the visitors' room. You see, this is the room. Then that's the general bathroom. Yeah. Okay, let me stand here and I give you this view from here. Okay, let me gonna show you the rest of the rooms. This is how our house looks like after putting the soil inside and after pumping the water into the soil. You know, this soil thing has, guys, the soil thing has been stressing us a lot, more especially Mr. He has been so much stressed with the soil. As in, before we filled in the soil, you couldn't do anything because there is no work which can be done at the site or at the house. So it has been stressing Mr. a lot. But I'm so happy this is done now. We can do the rest of the work at our own pace, as long as the house is filled with soil. Okay, let me gonna show you the other rooms. From the bedrooms, we have this side, which takes us to the kitchen, the TV room for the kids, the laundry room, then the pantry. So I'm going to start with the pantry. This is the pantry, guys. It is also big. You see? This is not the pantry. This is the TV or reading room for the kids. Let me say reading room, TV room, or playroom for the kids. Guys, the reason why we decided to have this room on our house, on the plan, this room wasn't there. But I see how the boys disorganized the house where we are renting. abana ba disorganizing enyumba. So when they were building, I told the builders to change the plan a little bit. Then we created space for this room. According to the original plan of the house, this was supposed to be the laundry room. But I told them to make it bigger so that it works as the TV room. So this is where they will read their books from. We shall put a TV in here for the kids. So this will be their room. You see how big it is. Then from there, we go straight to my favorite room. That's the kitchen. I love how big this kitchen is. You know, on a wife or a married woman, our favorite rooms on the house are always the master bedroom, then the kitchen. Where we are renting, my kitchen is small. So for those who always watch my videos, you know I always say, welcome to my small kitchen, because compared to the things we have in the kitchen, it's so small. So I told that who was doing the plan of the house, please give me a big kitchen. And this is how big our kitchen is. And I think the phone is not giving justice to this room, but it's enough compared to what we have at where we are renting. So we shall build that serving window there. I think the sinks will go there at the window. This is the room, guys. You see? This is the kitchen. This is my kitchen. Then from there, the other side, I'm going to show you those rest of the rooms. First room, it's the pantry. Then the other last room, it's the laundry room. Okay, let me go and I show you those rooms. This is the pantry. Yeah. I remember I told you in my video that I wanted to close that window at the pantry, and they told me it will kill the beauty of the house. Because I thought, remember in the pantry you have to put, how are they called? Bono obdara webute. So they told me that I can leave the window the way it is. Then when I'm putting furniture in this pantry, we shall also put the furnitures on the window. The window will be there just for light, but we shall not be able to open the window because we shall put even the storage, how are they called? These, the storage boxes at the window too, but the window will be there to give us light at the pantry. So, guys, this is the pantry. Then, this side, it's the kitchen. Then this side, it's the laundry room. So this is where we shall be doing our laundry from. This is the room. Then from there, this is the entrance of the back side, and this is our behind porch. Okay, guys, you see, that's it. I'm so happy that now I can enter into my house. Okay, let us go back the other side. Oh, I love that window, guys. I love this window because it gives enough light to the house. And me as a plant mom, I'm into plants. Me as a plant mom, my plants, my indoor plants will have enough light when they are inside the house. So guys, that's it. That's it about our house. Okay, guys, I'm done with showing you how our house looks like after feeding the soil into the house and after pumping the water into our house. Then my next video will be, okay, the guy who is working on our window and door frames told us to give him 3 weeks. I think one of these days I'll drive to his workshop and I'll do the video and we see if he is doing a great job with our windows and doors. We tried to choose a good design yeah, we try to get a nice design that will suit our house. So one of these days I'll go to his workplace or work store and I'll do that video. So after that, the next video will be when we are installing in the window and door frames. After we install in the window and door frames, we wanted to work on the floor first. Yeah, but we were advised we can first work on the ceiling. So we shall first work on the ceiling, then after the ceiling we shall work on the floor. Yeah, mpola mpola nyumba yaffe tugagizimba mpola mbanga tetuli ku race. Ate whenever you are building your house, try and do it at your own pace. You save your money, then you work on something. You save, you work on something, because construction is not easy. You cannot do construction at once unless you are a billionaire's son or daughter. No sonda, you cannot work or you cannot build the house at once. Guys, for us, we wanted to first finish, let me say, the expensive things like the roofing. Roofing cannot be done in phases. When you are doing roofing is done at once. Then the window and the frames, they are expensive. That's why we decided to work on the expensive things first. Then for the rest, we shall do at our own pace. Okay, let me say, even plastering the house is expensive, but when you're doing plaster, you can decide to do plaster of room per room. You save something, then you plaster one room. You save something, then you plaster another room. Yet when you are roofing the house, it requires you to have money at once. After installing in the window and the frames, for the rest, we shall work at our own pace, because we are not at a race. We are just building our house. So guys, I'll end from here. See you in my next video. Please subscribe to my channel. You can leave a comment down below. Yeah, so see you in my next video. I love you.